Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and you know what? I've got the blues, so I think we should make blues on the rocks. Let's get into it. Alrighty, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are doing a simple 4-ingredient cocktail called Blues on the Rocks. Go figure. And you know what? I was thinking to myself, what kind of cocktail did you want? And I said, well, I want something blue because everybody likes a blue cocktail. And I want something just a little bit sweet. And I was thinking, what could I do to make that? Well, I know I need blue curacao to make it blue. And I figured, well, I'll add something to that to give it that sweetness. So I went peach schnapps and a little bit of vodka to bump up that alcohol level because this is a low ABV cocktail. And we're gonna use a little bit of the club soda here. So let's get into Blues on the Rocks. Grab your glass of choice. In this case, I am using a lambic glass. It's a 15-ounce glass. And you know what? We're gonna build this directly in here. So let's start with some ice. Look at that. Nice, tidy, it's the perfect height. And you don't need to worry if it sticks up a little bit because as you pour your liquors on here, it will actually melt a little bit and fill the glass very, very nicely. So the first thing we're going to use is a little bit of vodka. In this case, I'm using Heritage Spirits. It is a local vodka to me. Really, really nice. They're about an hour from where I live. And for this, Ooh, very nice, very, very nice. The next thing I needed is some schnapps, finger schnapps. No, I'm actually using peach schnapps, and I'm using McGillicuddy's peach schnapps. And this is a nice sweet liqueur with that peach smell that's going to be really, really nice. And for this, we'll use 3 ounces or 90 milliliters. Oh yeah, you can just smell the peach coming off of that right now. You can't go wrong. The next thing we want to do is grab your soda water of choice. In this case, I'm saying, and I just said soda water, not soda water. You could use seltzer, it's all the same thing. You could use your soda stream, whatever you choose. I'm using Canada Dry at this moment. And you know what? We need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, look at that. Flip this over because now we're going to make it blue. We are going to use McGinnis Blue Curacao. Blue Curacao is an orange liqueur, and this is what will give us that blue color, and I really, really love this stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, for those of you that are very astute and are looking at me and saying, David, why isn't that separating? The reason for that is because you have a higher sugar content in the Dr. McGillicuddy's Peach Schnapps. It's one of the things that will make this cocktail a little sweeter. So just take your spoon and then gently stir it. All we're doing is just incorporating everything together. Grab your orange, and we're going to do an orange slice, and we're going to cut that in half so we get a nice little garnish. And we're gonna put that directly in the side of the glass like so. Look at that, Blues on the Rocks, finger snap style. Yeah, got that bluesy music going in my head now. Anyways, look at this, absolutely beautiful. I can smell the scents and the hints of the orange and the peach right there. It smells really good, let's try it out. Oh, that tastes really good. It's just this side of sweet. It's nicely balanced. And you know what? The blue curacao gives it that little extra hint and orange twist to the peach, and it's really, really good. You know what? What I am going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description. However, if you think I should use a different vodka, maybe a different type of peach schnapps, or just a different type of schnapps altogether to change the flavors, please leave a comment down below and make sure you put that recipe down there as well so everybody can try it out. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze-on-the-rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You have a great day. I'm going to the back deck. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at Booze on the Rocks at